5 simple steps to start investing as a teenager. Hey there, all you savvy teenagers out there. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and start building wealth today? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to teach you 5 simple steps to start investing as a teenager. Now, I know what you're thinking: investing? That's boring. But trust me, investing is one of the most exciting and rewarding things you can do with your money. By investing early, you'll be able to watch your wealth grow over time and achieve your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. So, whether you're saving up for your first car, planning for college, or just want to have some extra cash in your pocket, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of investing to choosing the right investment vehicle, and we'll give you practical tips on how to start investing today. So, get ready to take some notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to become a smart, successful investor. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of investing. Before we jump into the exciting world of investing, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Investing may seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. At its core, investing is all about putting your money to work for you. Instead of just keeping your money in a savings account where it earns minimal interest, you can invest in assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that have the potential to grow in value over time. Now, I know what you're thinking: what are stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, anyway? Well, think of stocks as tiny pieces of ownership in a company, bonds as loans you make to a company or government, and mutual funds as a collection of stocks and bonds from multiple companies. Investing can be risky, but the rewards can be huge. By investing your money wisely, you have the potential to earn far more than you would with a savings account. Plus, by starting to invest at a young age, you have the benefit of time on your side, meaning your money has more time to grow and compound. So, don't be afraid to take the first step and start learning about the basics of investing. In the next step, we'll show you how to set specific investment goals to help you get started on the right foot. Step 2. Set investment goals. Now that you understand the basics of investing, it's time to set some specific investment goals. This step is crucial to making sure you're investing your money in a way that aligns with your values and priorities. So, what are some investment goals that might be relevant to you as a teenager? Well, the sky's the limit. You might be saving up for a big purchase, like a car or a trip abroad. Or, you might be thinking about your long-term financial future, like saving for college or even retirement. The key is to set specific, measurable goals that you can work towards. For example, instead of saying "I want to save money," try setting a specific goal, like "I want to save $1,000 for a down payment on a car by the end of the year." By setting specific goals, you'll be more motivated to stick to your investing plan and track your progress along the way. Plus, you'll have a clear idea of what you're working towards and why it's important to you. So, take some time to think about your own personal goals and how investing can help you achieve them. In the next step, we'll show you how to choose the right investment vehicle to help you reach your goals faster. Step 3. Choose the right investment vehicle. Now that you have specific investment goals in mind, it's time to choose the right investment vehicle to help you achieve those goals. There are many different investment vehicles out there, but the most common ones for individual investors like you and me are stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each of these has its own unique risks and rewards, so it's important to choose the right one for your specific goals and risk tolerance. If you're just getting started with investing, mutual funds can be a great option. These are collections of stocks and bonds from multiple companies, which means you get diversification without having to do a lot of research on individual stocks or bonds. But, if you're willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns, stocks might be the way to go. Just remember that stocks can be volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate wildly over time. On the other hand, bonds are generally considered to be safer investments, since they're essentially loans to a company or government. However, they may not offer the same potential for high returns as stocks. No matter which investment vehicle you choose, it's important to do your research and make sure it aligns with your specific investment goals and risk tolerance. In the next step, we'll show you how to actually start investing your money, and give you some practical tips on how to do it in a smart and responsible way. Step 4. Start investing. Now that you've learned the basics of investing, set some specific investment goals, and chosen the right investment vehicle for you, it's time to actually start investing your money. But, before you start throwing all your money into the stock market, it's important to make sure you're doing it in a smart and responsible way. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Start small. It's better to start with a small amount of money and build up your portfolio over time, rather than investing all your money at once. This way, you can get a feel for how investing works without risking too much of your money. 2. Invest consistently. Make investing a regular habit by setting up automatic contributions to your investment account. This way, you'll be less likely to forget or put it off, and you'll be building your portfolio even when you're not thinking about it. 3. Don't check too often. While it can be tempting to check your investment portfolio every day, it's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. Fluctuations in the stock market are normal, and checking too often can lead to emotional reactions that might cause you to make rash decisions. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a strong investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. In the next step, we'll show you how to monitor and adjust your investments over time to make sure you're on track to meet your goals. Step 4. Start investing. Now that you've learned the basics of investing, set some specific investment goals, and chosen the right investment vehicle for you, it's time to actually start investing your money. To get started with investing, you'll need to open an investment account with a broker. One popular option for beginner investors is a company called Robinhood, which offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly app that makes it easy to buy and sell stocks. Here's how to create an account with Robinhood. 1. Download the Robinhood app. You can download the app for free from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Create an account. Follow the prompts in the app to create your account. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name, address, and social security number. 3. Link your bank account. To fund your investment account, you'll need to link your bank account to your Robinhood account. This process is quick and easy, and once you've linked your account, you can transfer money into your Robinhood account to start investing. 4. Start investing. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start investing. Use the app to search for stocks, ETFs, and other investment options, and buy and sell as you see fit. Remember, it's important to start small and invest consistently. By following these tips, and using a platform like Robinhood, you'll be well on your way to building a strong investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. In the next step, we'll show you how to monitor and adjust your investments over time to make sure you're on track to meet your goals. Step 5. Monitor and adjust the investment portfolio. Congratulations, you've taken the important step of starting to invest your money. But, just like anything in life, it's important to monitor and adjust your investments over time to make sure you're on track to meet your goals. One key way to monitor your investment portfolio is to regularly review the types of stocks you're investing in. As a teenager just starting out, you might want to consider investing in stocks that are more stable and less risky, such as blue-chip stocks, index funds, or ETFs. Blue-chip stocks are stocks of large, well-established companies with a long history of stable earnings and a strong financial position. Examples of blue-chip stocks include companies like Apple, Amazon, and Coca-Cola. Investing in blue-chip stocks can be a good way to get exposure to the stock market without taking on too much risk. Index funds and ETFs are another good option for beginner investors. These are funds that track the performance of a particular index, such as the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. By investing in an index fund or ETF, you can get exposure to a broad range of stocks without having to research and buy individual stocks. In addition to regularly reviewing your investment portfolio and adjusting your stock choices, it's also important to set and revise your investment goals as needed. As your financial situation changes and your goals evolve, you may need to adjust your investment strategy to stay on track. By following these steps, and staying informed about the types of stocks that are best for you, you'll be well on your way to building a successful investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, investing as a teenager can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. By understanding the basics of investing, setting specific investment goals, choosing the right investment vehicle, starting to invest, and monitoring and adjusting your investments over time, you'll be well on your way to a bright financial future. Congratulations, you now know the 5 simple steps to start investing as a teenager. By understanding the basics of investing, setting specific investment goals, choosing the right investment vehicle, starting to invest, and monitoring and adjusting your investments over time, you'll be well on your way to building a successful investment portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and discipline to build a strong investment portfolio. But by starting early and investing consistently, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing today and take control of your financial future. With the right knowledge and tools, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal finance and investing tips. This video that was authored by OpenAI's ChatGPT. With the company taking on billions of dollars in investments, this is the perfect time to find out ways for this innovative tool to help you learn about personal finance. Audio for this book was provided by NaturalSoft Limited's Natural Reader AI software using their commercial license. Per their website, this license allows you to use its software and voices for commercial or public use. This includes, but is not limited to, YouTube videos, public announcements, broadcasts, and e-learning.